In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my honest review of a Scrambly app as a student. I'm always looking for ways to earn little extra pocket money during my downtime. So I decided to test it out to know if it is legitimate. And this is what you're going to find on this video. How Scrambly app work, my step-by-step process for signing up, a realistic look at the potential earning. Disclaimer: this video is for educational entertainment purpose only. My results are based on my personal experience with the platform. Results may vary and it should be as a tool for small supplement side income, not a replacement for suitable employment. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through how to sign up on this platform step by step. All you need to do is for you to go ahead, go to Apple Store or Play Store, download Scrambly app. Then you need to sign up. From here you can see get started, you can see start earning reward with Scrambly app. And you can see that you need to go ahead and use your Google account to sign in. As I'm signing in with my Google account, then I need to go ahead and pick my Google again. Okay, as you can see, continue with Google. Now you can see welcome to Scramble. Okay, as you can see, complete your profile to get personalized offer. Okay, so all you need to do is for you to click on complete profile. You can see it may take just a minute. Then you need to go ahead and click on complete my profile. Okay, you need to start with this. Be careful when answering questions here because it determine the kind of reward you're going to get on this platform. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose 2000. Now let me just choose 2000. Let me choose 98 sha. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose, you can see date of birth. Then choose your gender, if you're male or female. Female, choose it. You can see I choose female. As you can see, 10 coins came. Okay, as you can see now, what kind of offer are you interested in? Anything you feel like you can perform on this platform, you need to go ahead and choose. As you can see, select up to 4 options. Select anything you feel like if you log in on this platform, you can actually start enjoying. Now, I need to go ahead and select game, but I noticed that I am not that good in game, so I need to come back. Maybe you're not good in game or something. You can actually come back. You can see, click on back. Okay, I noticed that all this game I'm seeing on my screen, I'm not good at it. Okay, I need to go ahead and look for if there is anyone that is better. Okay, but I don't see. I have to come back again. Let me just go back and select another option. I will remove it from game and put it social. Anyone you feel like you can do here, all you need to do is for you to go ahead and choose anyone you feel like you can do. As you can see, entertainment, finance, insurance, educational, news, traveling, food and restaurants. Anyone you feel like you can do. Go ahead and select all those things. Now I'm going to choose social, education, and everything. So you can see I've completed that part. As you can see, how did you hear about Scrambly? Okay. Now you can see friends or family, online advertisements, social media, search engine, blog or publication, online video content, order. Maybe it is your first time hearing about this Scrambly app. You can actually go ahead and say online video content. And for me, I found this app on search engine. Okay, so I need to go ahead and click on search engine and click finish. Then it's going to go ahead and bring me to this interface. As you can see, I have earned coins already. Your profile is ready. Now start your first offer to unlock your full Scrambly experience. You then need to click on start earning. You can come here. You might not see survey for the moment, but later you can come back and check if there is any survey for you. Okay, as you can see, discovered. Okay, my offer, my bonus, my profile. Okay, this is actually the withdrawal. Okay, as you can see, I've already earned up to 600 when signing up. That is the reason why I tell you that be careful of anything you're choosing here. Okay, because it determines how much you will earn for the first time you are joining this application. As you can see, confirm your email. All you need to go ahead and confirm your email on your notification. Okay, you can see complete your profile, which I've already completed it. As you can see, your first withdrawal to unlock access to VIP content. Okay, to withdraw, okay, you need to click on your earning. You can see 100, I earn 105, so that is 600 I've earned here. As you can see, earnings 0.60, and the minimum you can withdraw here is actually $1 is what you can withdraw here. You can withdraw $2, $1, depend on the activities you do on the app. Okay, so this is the referral code. As you can see, enter your referral code or unlock 5,000 coins referral bonus. Okay, so all you need to do is for you to enter referral code and receive it. Okay, as you can see, This is my account now. I'm going to go ahead and click scroll up again and show you another way you can actually earn coins on this app. Okay, so now let me show you one thing needs to do. I'll show you this one. Okay, now let me come back, start earning. Like now, I didn't see have offer for now because I just finished my tax. That is my first tax on this platform. With the time I'm recording this particular video, as you can, this is the withdrawal method. How you can withdraw on this app? You can withdraw with Visa. Okay, you can withdraw with Visa if you want to withdraw on this app, and the minimum you can withdraw here is $1, $2, $5, $10, $20 and $50 and above. Okay, it depends on the activities you perform on this platform. Okay, this platform is just a place where you can earn extra income at home. Okay, as I said before, it is not a full-time job. It is just an app where you can actually be earning small extra income online. Okay, now become affiliate. What are you going to be doing here? As you can see, all you need to do is for you to, if you want to invite somebody, you can actually copy your affiliate link. This is another way you can actually earn extra income on this app by using your affiliate link. You that is watching this video, if you want to try it out, okay, all you need to do for come over to the app, become affiliate. Then you need to go ahead and copy it. As you can see, become an affiliate. You earn 10,000 coins when someone you invite complete their first withdrawal. Okay, as you can see, your referral can earn 5,000 when they register through your link and earn your first 5,000 coins. You need to go ahead and copy your link. Okay, your link and share it to your friends. You can see that when they register through your link and earn their first 5,000 coins, you as that sent the person the affiliate code, you are going to be earning coins your own, okay, on the app. Okay, and the referrer, you will know what referrer is all about. Sharing your link to people. Okay, once you share your link to people, anybody that will delete through your link, you're going to be earning commission. Okay, as you can see, affiliate code, copy it and send. You can see refer friends. You can earn up to 10% lifetime on your referral reward. Your referral reward earn 5,000 when they register through your link and earn their first 5,000 coins. You are going to be receiving commission. Okay, this is how you can actually increase your earning on this platform by sending your links to people and by joining affiliate on this platform. This is how you can actually increase your earning apart from doing survey by the offer on the platform. This is actually where you can actually increase your earning on the platform. As you can see, redeem your code, enter your promo code below to unlock exclusive reward. I'm just trying to know if I can use my code and it is not going. Okay, they rejected it. As you can see, apologize. The code have been expired. It does not exist. Keep it. Okay, so we just move on. I'm just trying to know if I can use my own, but it's not going. I think unless you have another person's code, that is when you are going to be, you can redeem it. Okay, as you can to withdraw, like I said before, you can withdraw with Visa, or the withdraw is actually Visa. Okay, you can see that $1, $2, $5, $10, $20 is what you can, the minimum you can withdraw on this platform. Okay, you can see price, not enough funds by the time I'm actually recording this particular video. Okay, but now I'm recording this video, I have earned up to 1,000 coins on this platform. I'm about to withdraw, which I'm going to be showing you on my next video. Okay, this is the how people are confirming about this particular platform. Once I withdraw, I'm going to be updating you guys on my community tab, or I will make a short video about it. Though I've already completed my 1,000 coins. Okay, it's only for me to cash out. If you have done this app before, you can comment on the comment section below. You may know your experience on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.